Halo YouTube, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini saya akan membuat tutorial cara membuat ketupat dengan menggunakan daun pandan.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.